back to this video. In this video, I will teach you on how to reverse image search in Google using just your phone. Whether you are using Android phone or iPhone, just stay tuned to this video and see how to reverse image search. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up our Chrome browser right here. Then after we open up our Chrome browser, then there are so many ways by which we can use image reverse search. Like for instance, if we are browsing on internet like this, let's say for instance, I visit this particular web page right here. I click on this web page. I want to reverse image search on this particular image. I want to know more about this particular image on a web page. It can be any type of image you might think of. So what we want to do now to do the image reverse search, we have to make sure we click and hold down on a particular image. So you can see it right there. Now, what we want to do next is to make sure we click on search image with Google Lens right here. We make sure we click on that. So when you click on that, it's going to take you right here. Then allow the Google to image reverse search of that particular image. Then you have everything about the image right here. Now here, you can see the information about the image. This individual in the image is Pella by name, a 20-year-old Nigerian social media personality streamer. You can click on here and see detail about the particular image. The more you scroll down, the more you see those images and every area whereby the images has been used across the internet. Everything is going to be shown right here. You can see the image has been used on YouTube. You can see right there, the image has been used on YouTube, it has been used on Facebook, and it has been used on TikTok right here. So the more you scroll down, the more you see details about that particular images right here. Okay, so here you can see everything about the image right here. You can also search by products. So if it is a consumable or if it is a selling product, you are going to see links whereby you can make a purchase of those items if you image search reverse. Okay, and if it is something else, you can also come to about these images right here. Click on about the image, then you are going to see detail about the image. When the image was uploaded, you can see similar images are at least 1 year old. You can see it right there, and the more you scroll down, the more you see all the platforms whereby these images have been using so far. If I click on more pages right there, you can see. So this is detail about this particular image right here. However, this is depends on the number of images that has been uploaded as far as the image is concerned across different platforms or on the web. It's that simple. So this is one of the first way to reverse image search on your phone with Google. Let's take a look at another way by which you can reverse image search on Google. I'm going to open up a new tab right here. Click on this plus sign right here and open up a new tab. Another way to image reverse search is that we can snap a picture live with the Google Lens camera right here and ask for image search reverse. And for us to do that, we can simply click on this camera right here. And the camera is going to open right here. Now you have Google Lens. So next thing we want to do here is to click on open camera. When you click on open camera, then you can simply snap a particular picture. And once it's captured, snap and allow the image reverse to do the work. So you can see, despite the fact that the image is very dark, I was still able to get the actual result of that image. So the more you scroll down, the more you see the little images of that particular thing that you just snap with Google Lens. Now here you can research more about this. You can click on show more right here and you'll be able to see more variation and more information about that particular image that you just snapped. If it is a product that you can purchase, simply click on products right here. And then they will provide you every link whereby you can make a purchase of that particular product. Just like what you see right there, these are places whereby I can purchase this product. I can get it on Jumia, and I can get it on this particular Meesho. I can get it in total gate to screen. So these are and different prices right here, as you can see right here, different prices. So the more you scroll down, the more you see different platform whereby you can get the product to make a purchase. And mind you, this is the original picture that we just snapped into Google. And this is image reverse search of the result we are able to get. It's that simple. For more tutorial about Google image reverse search or anything about Google search, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.